What's up, y'all? Stevie Thompson here. I want to do something a little bit different. So I don't usually do vlogs, but I might start doing live videos on Sundays. But anyways, nevertheless, I just moved to my new apartment in Chicago. I live in North Loop, and I just thought that I should do an apartment tour for y'all. So, story time. I moved to Chicago from Atlanta. I had no idea anything about Chicago. It was pretty much fresh to me. I didn't know about the neighborhoods. I didn't know about apartments. So, you know, one thing that I had to rely on was Google to help me out. And it was COVID, so I couldn't really tour apartments either. So hopefully, you know, this video will help y'all, whoever's watching, if you move to Chicago, kind of get a feel of what you can find and what you should expect. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so a little bit of background. I do live in a convertible styled apartment in downtown Chicago, or other known as North Loop, right by the river. This is a little bit of stuff that I kind of put together. So most of the stuff that I have, you can find from Amazon. I got some stuff from IKEA, Goodwill. Like, it's ways to, you know, move into a spot for the low. So let me go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna start with the kitchen. All right, so here is my kitchen. Now the first thing first, I gotta shout out, you know what I'm saying, Google. This is not a sponsorship and all.
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of Google Home.
Okay. Yeah, so I got that thing. Funny story, I went to Spotify, they gave us that for free. Then I got these fiberware knife set. It's pretty dope. Like, one of the best investments that I ever probably made so far, because it gives you like so many different like options and endless freaking knives. If I can fit this back in there. Yeah. Then my mom gave me this thing, which is a Chef Man, what is it called? An air fryer. I'm a chef and all, you know, but this right here saves lives. You don't have to use grease, so I recommend it for sure. It do come with, you know, stainless steel appliances already, so, you know, that's nice. Here I got these little salt shakers a long time ago while I was in college. I can't really remember where I got it from. I think I got it from, I want to say Goodwill, actually. I got it from Goodwill. And then here, I recommend this 100%. This is a Ninja blender. Legit, the blender is so freaking dope. I use it all the time. It's pretty simple. Affordable too, it's about maybe 70 bucks. And then from here, you know, I got the basic essentials. I got a toaster, which is a goddamn. I got a whole life toaster that I use. I just used it once actually. And then here is my wine holder, which I got from Goodwill. This is pretty much, it was like free almost, but when I have extra wines, I put it here. And then, you know, of course, the refrigerator. Now, one thing that's also unique about this apartment is that it comes with a in-unit washer and dryer. So, fun fact. You saw the kitchen. Now let's go ahead and get to the living room. It feels like MTV Cribs, actually. Yo, this is my crib, this is my mansion. Yeah, now let's get into the garage, the 5-car garage. All right, let's get to the living room. Okay, so as you can see, I am a big music person. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is my wall of records. I got these, pretty much these holders, as you can see, from Amazon, actually. They was only about maybe 20 bucks or so for a set of 12 or so. And I just wanted to figure out a way to display my records, so I just said, well, why not just put it on the wall? And I didn't want to just be basic and just stick the record on the wall, so I just, you know, took the records out of the actual thing and then just hung up the covers, and it turned out pretty nice. Next up, you have my TV. Got this from Amazon as well. Crazy story. When I was at my other apartment, I ordered literally everything to my other apartment. All this stuff came at the exact same time. And it was like, yo, you got like 50 different boxes and stuff. This is a TCL, I wanna say a 59-inch TV. Does everything I needed to do. And then I also put some cool lights behind the TV. So it lights up the wall when it's at night. So I give you like a little cool playthrough of how everything looks when it's, you know, when it's at nighttime. Here is a fireplace I got from Amazon as well. Shout out to Trey Addison. He pretty much had one of these at the cribbo. I had to pretty much kind of cop as well. So it's a fireplace TV stand that actually has heat that comes from it. So whenever it's cold outside, because you know Chicago gets very cold, then I can just go ahead and pull this out. I have a LG TV soundboard. This soundboard is awesome. I got it from Trey as well. He gave me a discount, but I was able to get this from him. The exact specs I can include in the description below. But yeah, it's very nice. It comes with a sub as well that I've kind of put here as well. Another thing to mention about the fireplace is that it comes with LED lights inside, so you don't have to worry about installing your own LED lights. Of course, I have a entertainment system. I have a PS4 that runs, you know, pretty much everything here for my music and stuff. I have a PS4 charger for the remote controls. For the controllers. I have a PS4 charger, and I use this pretty nicely. I just got it recently, and if you don't have one, I definitely recommend. That way, when you're not using it, you can just charge it as you go to sleep, and it charges for you. You don't have to worry about turning on your PS4 or anything like that. This area, my rug. I got the rug. It's all white. I got it from Amazon as well. Maybe 70 bucks or so for this nice rug. I think it's a 34 by 26. I'm a big fan of globes, so I have a lot of globes all around my apartment. So I have that here. I got this from Goodwill, maybe like $5. This table here, I got it from IKEA, I believe. I think it was like 49 bucks, but you know, I got it maybe in my last apartment. I decided to kind of bring it to this newer one. And then also, if you need something to decorate your stuff with, get this book, 3,000 Questions About Me. It's super dope. It's like a conversation starter. All right, so next up I have my couch. This couch is maybe like maybe close around $700 I paid for this, but it's one of the first things I got for my older apartment and it lasts forever. It's very good quality, it's leather, and I got it from IKEA. Easy to set up, I just had to put on these bad boys. Got me couple of throw pillows from maybe Goodwill, both black. And then I got this, shout out to Sequoia. She hooked me up with a customized God First pillow, and I decided to put it here. And next up I have, of course I'm a Boston Celtics fan, so I got this beautiful thing that I got from my parents a long time ago when they actually won the championship. They went to Vegas and they saw this in the store. They was like, yo, you gotta get one, yo. Oh, let me get this to my son. So I got this thing. I got me a nice bar area, but it's also a globe because I love globes. So it's for your wine. This is my favorite wine, by the way. It's called Miyomi. And my favorite specifically is the Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir, how do you say it? But yeah, this globe opens up. And you can put wine glasses. I put shot glasses in here as well. You can put wine if you want to. And it's kind of like a cool way to, you know, when you have guests over, to just have, you know, your wine and all that good stuff, and you know, give it to them. Also for my kitchen, I do have this cool little dining set. I got it from Amazon, maybe $100. Put it together myself along with my bro Trey. He helped me out. But you know, it's small, decent size, but good enough size for 2 people if you want to eat, and both of the chairs hide under the table, you know, when you're not using it. Now I do have floor to ceiling windows, and the floor to ceiling windows pretty much go all the way throughout the apartment, which is pretty nice. I love it personally. Another thing about the living room itself, I have a beautiful thermostat, and I'm just playing. My record player. So because I have my records on the wall here, I pretty much keep my records, the actual records, disc, and my cover. So I got this cover, which is a Victoria cover from my sister for Christmas. And I just keep all my record covers and stuff like this inside and just pull it out whenever I need to play a record. This I got from a vintage store. Nowadays, record players are so cheap, so you can just honestly get one from the record store, not spending $100. I got me a nice little stand for my record player specifically. Got that from Amazon. This was like about 40 bucks, not even. I do play the sats, so I keep my soprano sats out. I can do like a nice studio setup for that. And I keep my ring light out as well because I record a lot of videos. This serves its purpose. I can include a link for this as well. Okay, so that is my living room. That's my kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and move into my office desk. So here is my office desk. I'm very happy about this one. So the thing about my apartment, it kind of cuts out a little bit and just have a section strictly for like a space to put a desk. So I can go more in depth with the equipment that I do have here, maybe in a separate video because it's a lot. But specifically, I got this beautiful chair that's very comfortable from Office Depot. It was about maybe 100 bucks. It's definitely a rise, lift, and rise chair. It does everything I needed. It rolls and etc. I got my instruments, as well as some speakers. I am a big fan of the Resolve, and I connect everything to my computers here. So I have my work laptop, I have a monitor that was pretty cheap, I got from Amazon as well, maybe 50, 60 bucks. And then here's my actual equipment. So I have a keyboard, it is portable. I got this from Amazon, and I include that. I got me a nice mouse, which is portable as well. I have my beautiful M-Audio piano because I do record a lot of music over here. And then my Audio-Technica mic and mic stand I got from Amazon as well. So believe it or not, it's not that expensive to set this up. And you'll see in my list when I include it below. Another thing to point out is I also got lights for the desk as well. So it's hooked up there, it's taped all the way under. So when it's nighttime, it pretty much lights up like crazy, and I love it. Okay, so you've seen my office, you've seen my living room, you've seen my kitchen, my dining room, all in my convertible. So now I'm gonna show you where the magic happens, the bedroom. So here is my bedroom. I guess one thing to point out, I got this bed from IKEA. It is a shelf bed, so you can just like drag it out and pull your clothes out. I think we can go into that. The IKEA bed was maybe 600 bucks. I love it because it has a back also included with it. And I can put all of my books here when I want to pull out or read something. Now, one thing I also like, I got the comforter as well from Amazon. This from I want to say Walmart. Pillows from Walmart probably. One thing that I do want to point out is these lights here. So these lights are tap generated. So you just tap it and you have lights. Because I don't have a light in my room, I just use that for my light. So it's pretty settled. I love it personally and gets the job done. I got these nightstands from Amazon as well. To be honest, 30 bucks for 2 of them. I got it on both sides here. I also have one of those portable chargers that's pretty dope. I recommend. It's called a Anchor portable charger. Pretty cheap, maybe 20 bucks for that as well. And then I got some wall decorations, not too much. I love New York, so I kept that since I got it in college. And I got some music related things here. I have my old Stevie TV stand here that I used to have in the living room. So I have this, I got this from IKEA. Pretty nice, you know, you can put storage here. And then storage right under where I keep my printer and miscellaneous things. I have a globe because I love globes a lot. Got the apartment, some nice candles. My favorite candy is lemon heads. If you want to help me out, you know what I'm saying, give me some more lemon heads because I'm about to run out. I have a diffuser, so when you turn it on, it actually creates another light, which is actually nice. Let me see if I can do that for you. Where is the on button? There you go. So you can control the light in there, and then you have this diffuser. Then I have my TV mounted to the wall here, which is a Hisense TV, a 40-inch. Then I got some window to ceiling windows there and there, which is kind of cool. Now, another thing to point out about my room is I have one of these. This is a list light, is what it's called. But it basically shines, you know, stars up to the ceiling. So I'm gonna give you a view of how it looks at night. I have to give a shout out to Alexis because I actually got that idea from her, one of her videos. I'll put the link down below. But yeah, this pretty much is my bedroom, my office, my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my bathroom. My bathroom is pretty simple. I just have the basic essentials, like stuff I got from Walmart. Toilet top, my floor stuff. Shower's pretty basic. I need like a little stand for it so I can, you know, get this off the floor. Over here, nothing special. Customized painting. And then I have my special globe here that I got from Goodwill. Had to keep that going throughout the apartment. This is me. What's good with you? Representing Harry Potter. Yeah. I have a scale from Target that works out pretty darn well, I must say. Focus. Yeah, so not much to show y'all there. But yeah, this is my apartment. I love it personally. I lived in Atlanta before this, and I had like a similar setup with the windows, but you know, now I'm living by myself, and I figured, well, why not give me a nice smooth little spot? Now, one thing to notice about this apartment is I think I'm paying about maybe $1,700 for it. But I negotiated it down. At first it was like 22 something. But now I'm at 17, still on the pricier side, but you know, I enjoy it. I'm right down the city where a lot of stuff happens. And it has a indoor pool. It has a parking garage. But yeah, anyways, thank y'all for watching. Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this. I keep it organic. I just go ahead and show you, you know, just random things about life. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Boom, I'll put that there. And definitely, if you're subscribed already, I appreciate you. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that notification bar so y'all can pretty much watch the next video and know when it's gonna happen, all that good stuff. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, definitely let me know. If you want to see more videos like this, I definitely do so. And yeah, Stevie TV out.